Just as a follow-up to the previous example, we're going to have a look at how we can use the function f1 that was derived in the previous example in a subsequent part of the question. So we'd already worked out here what the equation of the regression line was of y on x. So we'd entered all of this data and found it. Later on we have to estimate the cost of producing 60 boxes. So we have to figure out if x was equal to 60, what would y be equal to according to our equation. So if we have a look at going back here, we could of course just take these values here, substitute in x is 60 and calculate it, but we'd need to make sure if we did that we used the maximum accuracy for these numbers here. Another way that you could do it is transfer ourselves into a calculator page, and if you go into var, you'll see that all of the previous variables that we found at the spreadsheet mode, they're still accessible here. So f1 is the function that was found from that bivariate statistics. If I then just type in 60 and press enter, that's entering x as 60 into that function and calculating that y must be equal to 760 for us.